Netcrack-Central.
SNMP monitoring with Meraki with the help of New Relic. So let's go back to New Relic, add data. Similarly, like we did for our legacy SNMP devices, SNMP, SNMP, Docker, continue, SNMP version 3. We have to use IP of the Meraki devices like MR devices, MS devices. We cannot monitor MX through SNMP. Keep note about that. MX are not available to monitor through SNMP with any monitoring tool. So 10 dot I will just use a random IP because I don't have any device connectivity with this IP with the Meraki. We have to use /32. Then we have to use same username password, create user, authentication SHA, privilege. Here we have to take DES because Meraki doesn't support other thing. If you don't do DES, your Meraki SNMP is not going to work. So DES and same like password, test auth, test preview. Again continue. Here we will give the name SNMP underscore Meraki. We can use same YAML file for both of the SNMP, but it is bit difficult to organize or manage. That's why I'm creating a separate Docker for SNMP Meraki, as I created separate Docker for SNMP legacy device. So here, if I can show you, we have docker ps-a, where we can see how many dockers are running. So here we can see our one of the docker is running, which you have seen our previous video, legacy SNMP. Now we are going to create new docker with Meraki SNMP. So both will monitor separately, and it will be helpful to do any kind of troubleshooting easily with multiple dockers. So continue. We have to copy this. We will paste this in notepad first. Okay, now we will separate this command, or we'll modify this command, because you can see here in docker run it will give you a basic command which will fetch SNMP base YAML file. But what we wanted to do, we wanted to create a separate docker, and hence we are going to use different YAML file for Meraki. So let's create one file for Meraki YAML. So we'll copy same file which was created earlier, paste, rename it SNMP base underscore Meraki dot YAML, rename. Okay, so if you open this file, we will get all this same thing, but one parameter we wanted to change here, that is des. Okay, that's it. Save. Now this time we are not going to run all this thing. We just configure same YAML file manually, and we have changed the privacy protocol des over there, and we will run the Docker. So while we run the Docker, we will change this file as what is our file name? SNMP base underscore Meraki. Okay, so we will change here SNMP base underscore Meraki dot YAML, and here also SNMP base underscore Meraki dot YAML. Okay, so now let's run this. Here also is there one more SNMP base underscore Meraki. Copy, paste, enter. Error we got. Okay, what it shows, bind for 0.0.0/162 field port is already allocated. So here we can see already 162 port is allocated. That's why it is showing us an error. Okay, so to fix that, what we have to do, we have to use same command, but we have to remove this parameter -p, which shows the port. So we have to remove this, so it will randomly take the port and enter. Image is up to date. Now let's see Docker ps-a. So we can see here, okay, two Dockers are connected. One is legacy SNMP and other is SNMP Meraki. So Meraki will fetch the YAML file, which is this one, and legacy will fetch this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.